What's up, YouTube? Wow, it's a gorgeous day in Florida. It's about 68 degrees. A little breezy, but an absolutely gorgeous day for our Bronco Adventures. I did a thing, and I'm very, very excited to show you guys. When we bought the Bronco last month, the sales guy told me I could get my present in 10 days. I wanted to throw a challenge flag on that, but I went ahead and said, okay, let's see how many days 10 days turns into, and got it in yesterday, which was 40 days. So no worries, loving it, and can't wait to show you.
3, 2, 1.
So there you have it. That was the surprise. Got me a hardtop, or my wife and I got a hardtop for our Bronco Adventures. We're definitely pumped by it. Like I said, the sales guy, and I believed him, said he could get it in 10 days, and it literally took over 40 days, if I'm honest. But love it. Did a lot of research on Bronco hardtops versus soft tops. Owned a, as I mentioned in another video, 2007 Jeep Sahara, and that was a softie, and pretty loud. And then also for my baby for many years was a 2007 Shelby GT convertible, GT 500, until a hurricane got her last year. That was a soft top, and that was with the 500 horses, was really loud. But this guy has been great. Had him going about 50 miles an hour on local highway the other day, 55, and she was pretty quiet. Now, if you're buying a four-wheel drive for to be quiet, you're probably not going to find something that's great, especially in the more well-equipped ones. But she really looks nice. We like it a lot. Hope you guys are enjoying your Bronco Adventures. And as I mentioned, just I'm new to this whole content thing, and looking to get better as I go. So appreciate a like and a subscribe. And stay tuned for more our Bronco Adventures. Have a good one.